Hi friends, and this is our new video about the Instagram application where we will show you how to save the selected audio and sound to your saved list to use later for your reels, for your stories, etc. So let's go to the Instagram app and I will go to the For You page to select some reel as an example. I will click on this one, and as an example, as I said, I like this sound and want to add it to my saved one. Let's pick on the label at the corner of the screen and tap on the label here and tap on the Save Audio feature at the top of the screen to save it to your page. Saved. In this way, you can smoothly add other audios without any troubles and problems. Okay, so right now when I had refreshed my page, I can smoothly get access to the saved options to find my saved songs. After clicking on the 3 lines icon when you are on your profile page, later I can go to the saved option here. And we have the specific albums at specific section like audio. Let's click on it one time, and here we will have all of the saved recordings we can smoothly use later for our stories, for our reels and other posts. Guys, from now on I hope that you know how to manage this list, but I remember to say that if you want to unsave the selected audio, you just need to, for example, swipe it to the left side and click on the saved option here and refresh. As you can see, the selected recording was smoothly disabled and deleted from our list. Well done! Guys, don't forget about likes and subscribe to this channel. Good luck!